Good morning, YouTube. I just finished breakfast, had me a nice cup of coffee, and decided I should come out in the garage and check on my plants that I put out here. A couple weeks ago, I saw a video where the person was planting, they had seedlings of cool weather crops, some brassicas, some pansies, and some other cool weather flowers. And they said once they break the surface, that they take them outside and put them in their cold frame. Well, I don't have a cold frame, but I decided that I'm going to put them in the garage, and I'll put them in this little container that I have here, okay? So here's what I have modified and I'm using. This a leftover Christmas container that I picked up at Walmart. I have over here some chard. I have greens. I have mustard greens and regular collard greens. These are broccoli, some Waltham broccoli. Here, what is this? Oh, that's kohlrabi that I have right there. This is the chard. I have some onions back there. So they're able to get the sunlight. It's not that sunny out today, but they're still able to get, like sometimes people will say you put a fan to help to strengthen the seedlings. Well, I believe you can see it where the wind is blowing and they're getting some movement. So hopefully, you know, that's helping to strengthen them and make them stronger so that when I go to put them outside, A, they'll be okay with the temperatures, and B, they will have strengthened up from this wind. You know, it's a gentle wind, but you see the movement there, the little plants are moving. This right here, that is fennel. I've never grown fennel before, so I don't know. And that right here is parsley. In this empty row, I planted something called hyssop, Hyssop. I saw one of my YouTubers growing it last year, and she was explaining about the medicinal benefits of it and that it was a great plant to have in your garden, so I thought I would give it a try. And right here I have some onions. So these are bunching onions. Over here, those are Utah sweets that look, you know, scary and a mess, but we're gonna leave them out here. They're gonna have to try and strengthen up on their own and survive, because I'm not bringing them back inside. And here I have pansies. And a pansy is a cold hardy plant, a flower. So I thought I would give it a try out here and see how well she does. And hopefully it makes it, because again, they're out. They're not coming back inside. So they're gonna have to make it out here or not. Hopefully they do, because I can't. They're gonna have to stay out here and just do what they can do. And you know, we got a couple, maybe like an inch or two of snow last night. So things are looking really kind of cute this morning. That's my winter sowing there on the table. And you can see the yard. Back there in the back, that orange Home Depot container, I have one cabbage that has been struggling, and well, it's not been struggling, it's just been slow growing, and it's got one little tight head on it. So I wanna, hopefully it'll survive. I don't know if you can see the containers, the winter sowing that I have there along the fence, but that's it. I really just wanted to show you what's going on here in my garage with the plants that I've put outside to do what they can do. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, have a nice day. Bye.